In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print notes pages in LibreOffice Impress. If you use speaker notes to guide your presentations, printing your notes pages can be a lifesaver for rehearsals or live talks. Notes pages show each slide along with the notes you've written, so you can keep your key points handy without cluttering the slides your audience sees. Let's walk through the exact steps to get clean, reliable prints. First, launch LibreOffice Impress and open the presentation you want to print. Make sure your notes are already added in the Notes view for each slide. Those are the comments that will appear beneath the slide image on the printed page. Next, go to the File menu at the top of the screen. From there, select Print. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Linux, or Command+P on Mac OS. That opens the Print dialog, where most of the important choices live. Inside the Print dialog, look for the tab labeled LibreOffice Impress. This tab contains options specific to presentations, and it's where you tell the program what kind of pages you want to produce. Click that tab to bring its settings forward. Find the drop-down labeled Document or Type. By default, it's usually set to Slides, which would print the slide visuals only. Change that selection to Notes. This tells LibreOffice to print one slide per page with your speaker notes underneath, exactly what you need for presenter handouts or rehearsal scripts. Before you print, check the Size section. Select Fit to Printable Page. Printers have unprintable margins, and paper sizes can vary between regions. Choosing this option ensures your slide and notes are scaled so nothing is cut off at the edges. It's a simple checkbox that prevents common formatting surprises, especially if you're moving between letter and A4 paper. When everything looks right, click OK or Print to send the job to your printer. Depending on the number of slides, it may take a moment. If your printer supports a preview, give it a quick glance to confirm the notes appear under each slide and the content isn't cropped. If your output doesn't include notes, return to the LibreOffice Impress tab and verify the Document or Type option is set to Notes, not Slides. If the content appears too small, consider unchecking. Fit to Printable Page and trying again, but remember that can risk clipping on some printers. That's all it takes. You've now printed notes pages directly from LibreOffice Impress, ready for review or delivery.